I'm on my way to pick up the 2024 Ranger Raptor. It's been about a year of waiting, and we're right about to pull up to the plant where it was built, the Michigan assembly plant, which is right across from Demmer Ford, right behind the Raptor. So, let's see how it goes. Michigan assembly plant, Demmer Ford. Literally that close. All right, well, here it is. I have not even really sat in a Ranger Raptor before. It looks gorgeous in this carbonized gray. I'm really excited for this. This is an awesome truck. 33-inch tires, 17-inch optional beadlock wheels, no graphics package, spray and bed liner, and we've got the door code right here too. Awesome, let's hop in, we'll go for a drive. I've already paired my phone. I'm just taking this for a test drive right now. I haven't done paperwork or anything. These seats, nice and soft, super comfy. Yes, 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 yes. It is right in the middle of rush hour right now, so not the best time to be going for a drive. Paddle shifters behind the wheel feel nice. Oh, I love the driving position. Only 12 miles on the clock. Twin turbo, 3-liter V6, 405 horsepower. Auto stop start. It's interesting, on the build sheet it said that was disabled, but we're just gonna go ahead and disable that ourselves. Probably the first thing I'll do every time I start up the vehicle. Oh, this is proper. I've watched so many videos on this Ranger Raptor from the Australian market, from South America, from Europe. It's so cool to finally be driving it. I haven't really seen any trucks on the road yet. They've all just been development vehicles. On this test drive, I mostly would just want to see if there are any weird vibrations, rattles, strange noises, clunks. First impressions, the truck feels really tight. It was built right across the street here at the Michigan assembly plant. It went on got loaded onto a truck and trailer, went on an adventure to other places in Michigan, and then came back here a few days later. So we've got different drive modes. Here's normal, off-road, Baja, rock crawl, sport, and tow haul, as well as slippery. We're just gonna leave it in normal for now. Love the shape of the steering wheel. It's got a nice kind of ergonomic grip to it. Got lots of physical controls here on the steering wheel. Good visibility. Oh, I miss having a truck SUV, something where I'm a little bit higher up. I can see over other drivers. I miss having something that I can take off road. See, there's a manual mode. Just press that button to the side of the shifter. Press it again to disengage. That's easy. Love that this has paddle shifters. Off-road use only for Baja.
Watch out. Roadworks.
That sounds good. Pretty quiet. The ride is great. That's my favorite thing about this truck, is just it's gonna be able to tackle Michigan potholes no problem. Really good visibility. And this V6 sounds great. It's a nice motor. Put the exhaust in quiet mode. Make it completely completely silent on the highway. We've got lane keeping, steering assist, adaptive cruise control. Got to keep your hands on the wheel though. This does not have Blue Cruise. Touchscreen, a little bit laggy, a little bit slow, but we've got climate control buttons down here, which is nice for all the important things like recirculation, defrost, AC, dual climate zone. Really quiet on the highway. Not a lot of wind noise. And we're gonna dip here before we hit traffic. Brakes feel good. Braking those bad boys in here. Yep. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Sound system. All the materials in here look really nice. There's a lot of plastic, but this kind of rubberized Alcantara suede on the dash is nice. Steering wheel is just the right size. Sound system's not blowing me away, but we're gonna maybe tweak some things once we get back in there. Come to a stop. Let's put it in sport mode. All the inputs here feel really nice. Good amount of back seat space too. That was one of my biggest concerns, was just being able to fit a rear-facing child seat. Good sized glove box. Got this top glove box up here too. Cameras. Cool. We're in 2 high right now. We have 4-wheel drive auto. Ah, can't wait to get past break-in. I like this drive mode selector a lot better than what we've seen in some other Ford products recently. It actually is easy to toggle through drive modes and the screen's responsive. Feels pretty good around a corner. Speed, a lot of gears to go through. Some of the switchgear feels a little bit cheap. Pedals don't quite have the same feel as the full-size Raptor, but they're still nicer than what's in the Mustang Dark Horse that are just plastic. Drive mode selector feels a little bit cheap and plasticky, but I like the shifter, and everything else in here looks pretty good. Turn signal stock feels nice. No vibrations at speed. And this truck was built very recently, like only a few days ago. So it wasn't sitting on the lot for a while. Tires aren't flat spotted or anything like that. Doesn't seem like there's any rust underneath either. That was kind of a problem with some of the early trucks. Of course, this is going to Crown Rust Control as soon as I can book an appointment. This truck's going to be seeing a lot of off-road use. It's going to be put through its paces. We're going to have some fun with this. So we have selections here for damper stiffness, normal, sport, off-road, steering weight, normal, comfort, and sport. And then we've got the R button, which is all of our favorite settings in one. This drive's great. The alternative would have been a Rivian. But you know, I drove a Rivian R1S and I wasn't blown away by the interior quality. There was a lot of rattles. Everything felt kind of cheap. And it would have been nice to have an electric truck, but I want to take this on some long trips. And I think this was probably a safer bet long term too, with depreciation and everything. Here's the window sticker. Purchased at MSRP at Demmer Ford in Wayne, Michigan. Didn't get any special treatment here from Ford or anything. They didn't even invite me to the press launch. This feels like an athletic truck. Like it's gonna handle like a sports car off-road, just like all the other Raptor products. Only thing I've heard is these KO3s are a little bit sketchy in the wet. So we'll see how they perform. Might have to swap them out for a different tire compound, or just wear them out going sideways. We'll see. But first impressions, I really like this thing. It's great. It's about what I expected, maybe a little bit better. Lots of aux ports up here. Got the license plate rattling around in the back there. I like this view over the hood too. Yes, those are fake vents, but they look cool. Quiet mode with the exhaust. That's nice to have. I don't always want that V6 droning away back there. Yeah, we've got heated seats, heated steering wheel. That's great. Oh, it's gonna be nice to have a heated steering wheel again. Cool. Lots of Broncos over there too. Oh, it's so cool to finally be driving this thing too. It's been such a long wait, almost a year since I ordered it. That's awesome. All right, we'll back it in. See, that's park, that's reverse. We got a nice little 360 cam down here too. Okay. First drive in the Ranger Raptor. Parking brake works. Everything seems to be pretty good here. Yeah. All right, let's go buy this, and we'll give you guys some more first impressions in another video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Guess we can sneak a look under the hood real quick. You get rubber floor mats standard. Here's your cloth floor mats down here. A little bit of storage space under there. Nice, 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 nice. There's that 3-liter twin turbo. Most powerful vehicle I've ever owned is a truck. Yep. Cool. Yeah, it drives awesome.
Does it?
Yeah.
Cool. I need to get the plate off.
Cool.
Back window.
Yep.
Yeah, I haven't driven one. I've just...
Oh, it's awesome.
Parking lot.
The ride is great. It's comfy. It's quiet. The exhaust modes are awesome.
Cool.
Yeah, it sounds good. It's got a nice little exhaust note to it. No, this is perfect.
Glad to hear it.
Yep. Cool. All right, let's go sign some papers.
All right.
All right. Ooh, so satisfying.